relative to a fixed point O, point A has a position vector of 2i plus 5j, point B has that one, and point C has that one. So that means that they are all in 3D. Now, I've got to find out what AB is. So we know that AB will equal OB, which is this one, minus OA, which is that one. So that means that we take 3i minus 3j minus 4k, and then we minus OA, which is 2i plus 5j minus 6k, and then we just do the individual things. So 3i minus 2i is I, equals I, and then minus 3 minus plus 5j is minus 8j, and then minus 4k minus 6k is going to be plus 2k, because that's a minus minus. Okay, so that's given us that. And now show that quadrilateral OABC is a trapezium and give your answers, give your reason for the answer. So so what I recognise is that OC equals 2i minus 16j plus 4k. I recognise that AB equals I minus 8j plus 2k. And I recognise on that basis that AB is parallel to OC because it is basically OC equals 2 times AB. And therefore one is 2 times longer than the other. And that means that, and this would be in 3D, so I'm not actually going to be very good at doing the point. That means that one essentially goes like this, and one goes like this. That is not a great thing. And then whatever else is happening is that. So AB, so that would be, this is not great, AB, and then it would be OC in some way. And that means that it's a trapezium, as a trapezium needs 2 parallel sides. There you go. Not sure that's that clear, but that's essentially how you do that bit. Right. A function f is defined by f of x equals 3x minus 7 over x minus 2. So firstly, we've got to find the inverse for this. So in order to find the inverse, let's just do this. You'll know this from GCSE basically. But so f of x equals 3x minus 7 over x minus 2. So let's make it y equals 3x minus 7 over x minus 2. And now what we have to do is rejig it so it equals x equals. So we times that out, so we go y x minus 2 equals 3x minus 7. We'll thingy-majig, we will expand those brackets, xy minus 2y equals 3x minus 7. We will take 3x off both sides, so xy minus 2y minus 3x equals minus 7. We'll add 2y onto both sides, so that's xy minus 3x equals 2y minus 7. We will continue with this. Okay, so we've got a side with all our x's on. So now we can factorise out. So we get x y minus 3 equals 2y minus 7. And then we just divide by y minus 3. So we get 2y minus 7 over y minus 3. And now what we do is we say f of minus 1 of x equals 2x minus 7 over x minus 3, which took ages. And what we have to do now is put 7 into that. So let's put 7 in, so we get 7 equals, so that's 14 minus 7 over 4. 7 minus 3, I'll do that. So that equals 7 over 4. And that's as far as that's going. Right, next question is f of x equals whatever that is. So let's go back to what f of x equals. So f of x equals, let's put this here, f of x equals 3x minus 7x minus 2. So f of x, it's a lot of writing in functions. So f of x equals, we put all of this into where the x is. So we go 3, and then that's 3x minus 7 over x minus 2, minus 7. Then we do a big vroom, and then we put 3x minus 7 over x minus 2 minus 2. And that is what we do first. Now, in order to get this to look marginally less rubbish, I think what I'm going to do first is times both sides, but up and down by x minus 2. Okay, so if we do that, we end up with 3x minus 7 minus 7x minus 2 on the top. And on the bottom, we end up with 3x minus 7 I'm just going to keep it in brackets because otherwise it gets messy, minus 2x minus 2, which equals 9x minus 21 minus 7x minus 14 over 3x minus 7 minus 2x minus 4. And that equals, I'm hoping they're not going to expect me to have any kind of, oh yeah, that's fine. So on the bottom we have, interesting. So on the bottom we have 3x minus 2 is x, minus 7 minus minus 4, so that's minus 7 plus 4, so that's x minus 3. At the top we have 9x minus 7x, which is 2x, and minus 21 minus minus 14, which is plus 14, so that's minus 7. So that's your answer.